Hello, this is Miss Heaney, and today I'm going to share with you how to share content from the Gale databases into your Google Classroom. Gale is a publisher that has many different databases, and at the high school we have global issues, we have world history, opposing viewpoints, and Gale literature, and a few others. And you can find those at the A to Z page on our A to Z page database page. Okay, so getting back to how to share content, um, up here you will find the Google Classroom icon, and that is the Gale integration. Gale is one of the only databases that has this Google Classroom integration. You do need to be signed into your Arlington Google account, so you'll need to do that. And once you find an article that you'd like to share with students, what you'll do is you'll simply click on the Google Classroom icon there. It's going to pop you right into the Google Classroom environment, and it's going to ask you what you'd like to do with that article, what class you'd like to share it with, what action you'd like to take. And essentially, what this is doing, it's creating a permanent link here for your students. So once students click on that link, they will be taken to the Gale database, right to that article. And you can see on the right-hand side, it has all the different features that Google Classroom has. So that is the easiest, most effective way to share content from the Gale databases into your Google Classroom. There are a few other features that Gale has that you can use. So one of them is the Get Link feature. And Get Link is essentially a permanent link for the specific article that you're looking at. So it's important that you use this permanent, consistent link for this article rather than using the URL up top. That URL changes as you navigate through the site. So make sure if you're going to share the article via link, you use the Get Link option. Another scenario you might want to do is download the article. So when you click on the download button, it's basically going to download a PDF, which you could save to your computer and then share with students. The last thing I'm going to show you is the send to your Google Drive. So one suggestion would be to use this highlighting and note-taking feature where you can highlight a specific area of the article. So this is a good one. They have critical thinking questions, and a lot of the Gale articles include these questions. And you could make a note and that note is going to be saved up here. And then you can actually send that to your Google Drive and then share with students. So right up here, see how it says send to? You'll just send that to your drive, and that will come up on your most recent documents. So the highlighting and note-taking feature is really helpful if you want to have students annotate a particular paragraph, or maybe you want to highlight just a portion of the text and have students just read a portion of a text rather than the whole article. That's another great way to use the drive and the highlighting tool. So again, there are 4 different ways to share content in the Gale databases. The Google Classroom integration, the Get Link, the download feature, and the send to Google Drive. So if you have any questions, you can email Mrs. Miller and I at AHS Library, office hours at ACSD